How to book flights in Almosafer. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to book flights in Almosafer. So to book some flights in Almosafer, all we need to do right now is open up our Almosafer right here. Once you open up our Almosafer right here, next step we need to do right here is click on our profile on the bottom right corner right there. There you go. And as you see right now, we have no history of flights. Once we go back to search, now we're gonna book a flight. Click on flight right there. Search a flight. It will be one way, round trip, or multi-city. Multi-city is gonna have a lot of flights, round trips, back and forth. One way is just a one-way. To go this one-way direction. So let's say choose this one. Let's choose this, and going. There we go. Departure. Then that's okay. You can search flight. And there you go. As you can see, cheapest flight, choose one. After choosing your flight right there, click on continue. Also click on continue right here, make sure everything is all good. Continue. After that, adding your contact details, and click on continue. Add number. After adding your number here and travel details right there, all you need to do is click on continue. Then you will go to the payment. All you need to do is add your credit card or e-wallet if you have like a PayPal, something like that, Gcash, so you can use those or ways. So for your payment, after doing that, and then you're done, you have yourself booked here in Almosafer. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to question concerns, type it in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here on Guy Glimpse. There you go, and thank you guys.